beautiful people, and welcome to a beautiful episode on Kanjivaram, episode number 191. Myself Lalia Dattagupta from Sanskriti Kolkata. Please watch the episode, you will love the pure silk products that I'll be showing you today. First product, very sober color combination, 12,500. Pure silk. Very light shade of pista with a pale rose pink color combination. See the zari weave in the broad border. Center will have all over small zari buta. The upper part will also have the zari weave. Exclusive combination in light pista and pink shade. Very soothing color combination. And this is the blouse piece to go with it. These are pure silks, 100% pure silk, very good quality silk from Coimbatore. We say them Kanjivaram, but actually these are pure Coimbatore silks. It has the full look of a Kanjivaram because the pure Kanjivarams that we see, which are in Kanji silks that we know, they are very expensive. So this is South silk, 100% pure silk, but in a lower range. Number 2, 11,900. I am telling you the price at the same time. The prices are mentioned openly in the screenshot that is going. There is the number of the product, like this is product number 2 of this episode 191, 11,900. It's a very pretty color of sky, but it's a dusty sky color, very uncommon shade with pallu zari weave and all zari border and all over small tiny zari butas. And since it has a very sleek border and a zari pallu, it is a very smart looking sari. Sometimes you need not too much of work, weave. You need simple saris but in very nice color and rich silk. So these are those type of saris where you can go anywhere, any formal or semi-formal occasion. You just wear your gold jewelry and you will just look very pretty because the color combination and the richness of the silk will make you stand out in the crowd. So this is product number 2, 11,900 for this. Product number 3, earthy tone but a very rich tone of cement grey color. 13,900 for this. The body color is not black, it is very dark burgundy color. And the border color is in rich zari weave in gold and silver in cement color. Pallu part. Since the lower border is extremely gorgeous rich weave, this is the back side, extremely gorgeous rich weave, the upper part is a very rich shade of solid silk border. And it will have the pallu color contrast rich blouse piece to go with it. Very rich color combination of blouse piece. This is the sari. All single piece, no repetition and no orders. So whatever you are seeing, all single one piece. So first come first serve basis. Once the availability is confirmed, I will give you the bank details. You make the payment in the bank along with the shipping charges, we will courier it to you. Those who are in Calcutta, please visit both the branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both are very close by, so please visit both the branches. We have the tailoring department, we have the suit pieces section also, dupattas, costume jewelries and many more. So you can have a look at our products. The menswear section is only in the Cornfield Road branch. Now see this color. These are the colors that you only get in South. You know, this is just absolutely uncommon shades. And the weave is so, I mean, it's so, it's going so well with this color combination. Mehendi green color with zari weave. The body buta will have a touch of silver zari also along with the gold zari weave buta. Again, the lower part will be rich gold weave, upper part will be solid narrow border with running blouse piece again in mehendi. Pure silk, South silk. Rich color combination, rich weave and very rich design. South silks are very famous because of their texture, the width, the whole weaving and the quality. South is very famous for silks. So these are pure South silks in variety of different weaves which we collaborate with the weavers to get the weaves of our requirement of the type we want, and over the months they create these weaves and ship it to us. In my visits to the South, it's a delight to work with the weavers out there. They are so helpful and readily available for changes. They always want something new to do. It's beautiful to work with weavers in the South. This is 12,500, a rich magenta color, and see the border. The border is like a collage with zari weave and reverse collage weave in the border. See, it's kind of a reverse weave. The motifs are left behind and the weave is done leaving the motif, the back part. The background is in weave. So that is giving a very pretty reverse weave with polka dotted pallu. There will be pallu in the blouse piece. Polka dotted blouse piece. See, it's a very fashionable, very trendy, but yet it's a traditional, beautiful Kanjivaram silk. Upper part borderless. That's why the blouse is in polka. It's a rich blouse. This is the pallu. Shipping charges are applicable for all shipments. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata with an additional charge, and internationally we are shipping regularly. So the more you buy, the less you pay for shipping. So you can select the product, pay for the product and pay shipping later when you are done with your shopping. This is another color combination like the magenta one. This is the burgundy color, rich burgundy, and see the border weave. Very pretty color combination. Again, this too will have the polka dotted blouse piece. Pallu part. Whatever you are paying for, you will get proper GST invoice with each shipment, and you are paying to a business account only. I will provide you a reputed bank business account, Sanskriti's business account, or you can Paytm, you can GPay to the bank. There are many options. This is the jet black color of the same concept weave, collage reverse weave, pallu and the border. All the colors are very rich, vibrant. Of course, in winter black looks really gorgeous, and black and this collage weave with the polka dotted blouse is very smart piece. Now again different weave. Today the colors will be really, you love the colors. All the colors are all rich, gorgeous colors. Wine color, bright rich wine with again cement color. The body too will have small buttas, since the border is in beautiful vibrant zari weave. The zari weave is in gold and silver. This is the back part. This too will have this color blouse piece. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. So even if your sister or your cousins are paying, please take the screenshot from her and message from the number you've done the booking. So if your sister is also giving the payment details and picture of the same sari, and also you are giving the payment details and picture of the same sari, there's a lot of confusion. Kindly avoid that. If your sister or anybody, if your cousin or anybody from India are paying for you on your behalf, kindly take the screenshot from her and you send it to me. And once again, whenever you are doing the payment, the screenshot is required, and also the details of the address, name, address, telephone number, along with the PIN code of the area. PIN code is must. Many products are coming back because the PIN code you are giving incorrect. Instead of the 6 digits, 5 digits are there. So please make sure you are giving the correct PIN code and the correct phone number. Till you receive the product, the responsibility is fully ours. This is a beautiful jal weave, pure silk, all over jal weave. Again, the jal is in gold and there is a touch of silver also in between the flowers. This is the pallu part. These colors, as I said, these are very rare colors and very uncommon colors, little hatke from the red, yellow, greens that we usually see in silk, and then we grab those only red, yellow, greens and blacks. But these are so uncommon color combinations which and especially in this color combination, the gold and the silver blends so well. So it's a beautiful coordination with the color and the zari. Jal weave, beautiful jal weave. And also the pallu, rich woven pallu. See the pallu part. These Kanjivarams do have tassels already, so that gives, see, all tasseled. So I have another color in a lavender and a mauvish pink color of the same jal. Like I said, see, check out the colors. These are very different, unique colors, which I said that looks very nice in these kind of silks. See how well this zari is. Like I always show Katan silks and Banarasi, so that weave is totally different from our south weaves. It will have a running blouse piece. This is the running blouse with this zari border, since the body is all over woven. Fully wedding season, and you love watching this episode. I'll show you more varieties in this. Some more variety in this beautiful silks. I usually do an episode so you can see how much stock we have, because we usually do an episode of full that product, so you can have more options, more choices. Like you can, whenever you are checking out our videos, YouTube, just go to Sanskriti Kolkata and Kanjivaram. So you will get all the Kanjivaram episodes one after the other. You are selecting Katan. So Katan Banarasi, Sanskriti Kolkata. So all the episodes Katan you can check out. And also in each episode I show at least 30 saris. So you have 30 options to select from. Emerald green, two-tone, zari buta, zari border, rich color. It's neither parrot green nor emerald, it's a two-tone, and this is the blouse piece. Emerald green, blouse piece, two-tone, beautiful shade. See the color? There's a shade of blue along with this green color. Lovely close buttas all over, and here is the gorgeous pallu. Emerald green. See the butta and the pallu closely. Another gorgeous color, a shade of navy blue and peacock blue. Check this paisley border, lovely border also. The weave in the border along with touches of silver zari and rich gorgeous pallu with all over butta, two-tone. The upper part will have only buttas, the lower part will have the full zari weave with the dark midnight blue blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Oh, stunning color. Any complexion will look nice with this. And these colors age no bar. Another rich skirt part border. Rich skirt border in olive and magenta. All over buttas throughout, broad border, skirt border, pallu, and it will have a contrast blouse piece. The upper will have very narrow border, the blouse piece will be contrast magenta, and this is the saree. White and Rani. Wow. Very traditional temple weave along with geometric weave. I must show you this properly. Absolutely stunning piece. Rich color combination. Upper part will be only zari border, no butta, broad skirt border. Mohapar border in one side, that's why I don't think you look short. These look very smart on wearing with a Rani blouse piece. See the saree. Off-white and Rani color. Red zari border, butta. This butta is throughout there along with the small buttas, and here is the pallu. Throughout sari will have this buttas. Rich red with double zari border throughout butta. And running blouse piece. The blouse is in raw silk, so it's thicker, more thicker silk. See the pallu. Very smart pallu. Number 16. Orange. Very rarely we like these, we get these colors, orange and all. 11,900. Product number 16, 11,900. Pallu with Meena, body with all over butta, zari border. And running blouse piece in raw silk. Beautiful shade. It's a very pretty color now here. It's a burgundy color. And all over silver and gold zari weave butta. Very close butta, rich weave, product number 17. Pallu and the body. See the richness of the zari. And the blouse piece. Number 18. rich royal blue. You can say it's a very uncommon, it's not a royal blue, I would say a peacock blue, but a very different tone of a peacock blue with silver zari and peacock woven border in mint green. What an exquisite combination. Product number 18, 15,900 Kanjivaram. See the back part. This is the blouse piece, mint green contrast blouse piece. This is Kanjivaram. Polka woven buta and very rich peacock woven in the border. The blouse piece I have already shown you before, it's in mint green color, and this is the sari. Number 18, absolutely stunning weave. Now comes number 19. Now these are Kanjivarams without any buttas or weave, only solid zari. Now this is really very smart weave, rich heavy quality silk, very heavy quality silk in two-tone. This is bottle green color, just rich gold zari, very fashionable piece. Pallu 12,500. Blouse piece will also be of the same, and wear it this way itself, because this doesn't look good in contrast. Just wear it the whole sari in green with the zari border and very flaunt your jewelry, statement jewelries. Very smart this looks. This is totally a different concept of, you know, look you will get. Gorgeous, absolutely stunning piece. I have two colors only in this, unfortunately, but both the colors are very smart colors. That one, this is a deep turquoise, you can say a peacock blue color, and that was a bottle green color. Very rich, heavy quality, pure silk. Product number 20, 12,500. Running blouse piece. Whole sari will be same. Now I will be showing you some pattus which are woven. These are all Jamewar woven. Very soft and very comfortable pure silk. Product number 21, 13,500. This is not black. It is very dark navy. You can say blackish navy, but it's not jet black. Can you see the color difference? It's beautifully woven in a very two-tone dark blackish navy color with all over Jamewar weave. Just see the texture and the weave. And the back side, this is the back side, it's totally woven, but there's no threads at the back. It's a beautiful sari. This is the border, resham woven border. This is not zari. Product number 21, 13,500, all over Jamewar woven. This has a different, very beautiful texture that gives a very rich look on wearing. And this is the blouse piece, solid color blouse piece. And especially these pallus are so beautifully woven. This is the pallu. Just check out the colors that I'll be showing you in this item. Very gorgeous, rich color combinations. Magenta, same weave in magenta color. And the running blouse piece. This is the solid color blouse. The blouse piece will not have any weave. The border will be in fully resham weave, and the pallu also, and the body will be in silk jacquard. See the weave closely. It's a very smart and so light and very, very comfortable sari. Very comfortable. Bottle green, see the weave in the bottle green. See, this kind of upara blouses also look nice, but the sari blouse will look equally pretty. This is the pallu and blouse piece. Whole sari in jacquard weave. This is a rich wine color, 13,500. Some weaves are self weave, some weaves are little contrast, more prominent, whichever you like. You can get many options. Today I am showing you so many options in this jacquard, so many Kanjivarams option I showed you. Please give me options in case number 3 is not available. Give me a second choice so that we can, give us some options. That will be very helpful for us. Number 24, and this is the blouse piece for this. Blouse piece. See the gorgeous rich pallu. This is the body weave. Fully geometric body weave, and the pallu. Again, I will show you the pallu part. Lovely saris. Even the mannequin without a number, this mannequin is wearing a very pretty pink shade all over. This is zari woven. This is not the jacquard woven. This is zari woven. Very sweet, cute color with a pink blouse piece, but we've mixed and matched with this gold. We have these kind of designer blouses in sizes till 38. This particular sari is also 13,900. 13,900 is for the mannequin sari. It's in a pink color, deep pink with zari border and zari weave all over with the zari border. See the sari. Beautiful sari, very pretty weave, and this, very rich weave rather, I would say. Another Rani color. This is again coming to Resham weave. Number 25, 13,500. That is 900. This is 500. Can you see the color? The base color, the body color is in deep orange, and the upper part is in Rani. So it's giving a very pretty woven texture like the Mughal arts we see now. It's giving a beautiful texture. All Jamewar, pallu. This will have a textured blouse piece, woven blouse piece for this particular piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the pallu once again, all coming with tassels. Very gorgeous. So the body will have jal weave, the blouse piece will have buta weave. Black, contrast magenta border, jacquard, fully jamewar weave in the body. Can you see the weave? These are buta weave in the body with geometric border in the geometric jamewar in the border. Contrast, it has a contrast border. Mine is solid black. The one that I am showing is with a contrast double border. This is the pallu part. All resham silk weave, no zari in this. This blouse piece will be in solid black with border. Very pretty color. Oh sorry, I am not wearing a black, I am wearing a maroon. I had initially thought of wearing a black, but then I changed to maroon. This is in jet black. And the last one is the same weave that I am wearing, emerald green, jamewar weave, gorgeous border, stunning pallu. Of course, the color is out of the world color. This is the blouse piece to go with it. Price 13,500. Here is the sari closely for you. Can you see the weave prominently? Now the one that I am wearing, the last one, the same weave, 13,500 is for my sari. The blouse piece will be in solid color, same color, rich maroon with a border. This is my pallu. $13,500 for my sari, rich maroon, jamewar weave, pure silk. The bangles that I am wearing, it's polki set bangle, pair of two, 550 rupees, 550 black color polki setting bangles, 550, and the neck piece along with the cute earrings is 2,950 rupees. I would love to show you closely the neck piece. See the exquisite craftsmanship of the neck piece. So neat, and each leaf is done so well carved. The setting is so pretty. These are all premium jewelry. 2,990 is the whole set of neck piece along with the earring. See properly the neck piece. We have the album in Facebook page, the link is already provided. Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where this is the album, jewelry and clutch bags. You can check out our jewelry collection there, and also check out our WhatsApp status, where regularly new products or repeated products are uploaded every day. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Namaskar.